This video will address why is my iPad screen dark, how to back up iPad, and how to fix iPad black screen. Just read on to find out the answers now. Part 1. Why is my iPad screen black? A flaw in software, system crash, unknown bugs or errors, hardware damage. Part 2. Back up iPad with iTunes or Finder before the fixes. Connect iPad to PC. Open iTunes. Click device icon in iTunes. Choose Summary. Check this computer for automatic backup. Tap Backup Now to start the backup. Part 3. Fix iPad black screen of death with 8 methods. Method 1. Charge the battery. If you see the iPad blank screen, you can first try to turn on the device by holding the power button on the top or side until the white Apple logo appears on your screen. Method 2. Adjust the brightness. The iPad is on, but it won't turn on the black screen. The chances are that the brightness setting is too dim. You can now ask Siri to increase the screen brightness if it can be enabled. Method 3. Burp your iPad. Some iPad owners claim that iPad screen not turning on can be solved by burping iPad realigns internal cables. Method 4. Update iPados. It's also desirable to try to troubleshoot this issue in this way if your PC is currently running the latest version of iTunes. Method 5. Hard reset iPad. iPad is on, but the screen is black. Doing a hard reset or force restart may help deal with this problem. Method 6. Put iPad into DFU mode. DFU, standing for Device Firmware Update, can be used to try the issue out if your iPad screen is black but still on. Method 7. Factory reset iPad. Also, with the help of iTunes, you can fix the iPad screen keeps going black by restoring your device to factory settings. Note that this will erase all the existing data on your iPad. Method 8. Restart your iPad. When something goes wrong with an iPad, rebooting the device may work at times. And the same is true in the face of iPad screen goes black randomly.